Hey, what's up? It's Mark from Tape Eater. Basically here to give you another tutorial on the latest update of the Tape Eater app. So let's pull out the app with the fresh install. So we're going to do the first thing is add new music to it. So we're just going to go click the Find New Mixtapes tab, and this will give you a collection of the latest mixtapes on MixtapeMonkey that are easily accessible. So let's import this, and you can see that this Embrace EP is now on your app, and it was just one click. So very useful, a lot easier than it used to be. Let's download this one as well. So the bigger the mixtape, the longer it takes to load in, but it will load in. And then if you go into settings, there's a top 100 mixtapes. So if you're looking for something that's a little bit more popular, you can do this. So I really enjoy the Cool Kids Tackle Box mixtape. So let's import that one as well. And the great thing about this is that we've added some new features. So we can do quick play when you swipe. So swipe left to delete or right, and then in the inverse, you can use this to pin mixtapes that you find that you favorite. So, and then we also have the quick play, which is very useful when you have a bunch of mixtapes. So let's turn that down. If you tap, you can go to the now playing mode. And that lets you skip forward, backwards, scrub, favorite a song, or shuffle. And then you can even add it to a playlist if you want to build a playlist. The new feature that we've just added is the ability to swipe on the song to move forward. And then you can tap on the album art to pause. So you don't even have to be in the now playing mini menu anymore. A lot of people find it a little bit tedious. We've added MOV support and MP4 support to the videos. Playlists are just as easy to build. You automatically get the favorites one, so every time you favorite a track, those will go in here, and then you can just build one from the menu on a create new playlist. So awesome playlist. And the cool feature that we have here is to change the color of it. So we're gonna go green. And then now that's here. You can add songs like this. And now you have a playlist. So the second way to import music is probably the more important way if you don't plan on using MixtapeMonkey. If you want to use live mixtapes or anything that you use from Mega or something you find from Reddit, you can just import your media here. So let's go to downloads, and I have a bunch of mixtapes loaded up. So let's import these and import. So we've refreshed the importing. This used to have 3 more clicks than it needed. So hopefully that is a lot more streamlined into adding more music into your Tape Eater app. But yeah, that's basically the basics on how to use the app. The Magic League auto imports are super helpful, and they're really great if you do not want to manage your own files. So when you download the app, check out MixtapeMonkey. Any of the links on the actual website will come with an actual Get on Tape Eater button, and that will pop you right into the app. So very helpful. Let me know if there's any new features that you're looking for, any new artists you want to see on MixtapeMonkey. Thank you again. Rate and review, like and subscribe. Appreciate you guys. See you on the next one.